Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by tackling the surface so the paint will stick. Use wax and grease remover to get a clean base, then sand the damaged spot with 800-1000 grit until edges are feathered and smooth. Once done, make sure to mask the surrounding panels precisely with narrow tape and paper to protect factory paint. This prevents accidental overpainting. You want a sharp working area, not a sloppy one, because adhesion and neatness depend on how well you prep now. You shake the paint pen vigorously for a full 60-90 seconds and tap the tip to ensure pigment and thinner are evenly mixed. This prevents blotchy application. Next, test spray or mark on scrap card to confirm color and flow. Apply multiple thin coats to the chip, allowing 10-15 minutes drying between passes so paint settles without runs. Make sure to build the paint up only to slightly below the surrounding clear coat, because overfilling causes raised spots that are harder to blend. You finish by leveling the repair. Wet sand carefully with 1500 then 2000 grit using light, even passes until the painted area is flush. Once flat, polish the spot with rubbing compound to remove haze, then follow with a fine polish to restore gloss and blend with the surrounding finish. If you see a run or texture problem after drying, stop. Wet sand the defect smooth, clean, and reapply thin layers. This corrective cycle is faster than stripping everything and starts the blend over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.